Hey everyone, in this video I will be making the McDonald's logo out of 100 Rubik's cubes. So I'm starting off by making the red empty space around the golden M. I'm solving every cube and then putting the red face up. This is definitely one of the easier steps, but when I'm done with this, it takes more time and gets a lot more complicated. Now the next step is to make the actual M. I want to make it look as detailed as possible, so I solve each face to have both red and yellow on it. That way it looks very realistic. And after all that work, here is a finished result. Not bad.